Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the brand new Sigma and Angela Bright eye brush set. This is a collab that I have been super excited about since I first heard of the launch. I just received this order in the mail and I'm super excited to try it out. Along with her eyeshadow palette, figured it would be fitting. I mean, both of these go together. So, little quick side note here. I am a huge Angela Bright fan. In this beauty community, I will tell you that I feel she's one of the top content creators. So, I highly suggest you subscribe to her channel. She's awesome, and I'm super excited that she has these collabs with Sigma, since Sigma is one of my favorite brands. If you love Angela Bright's tutorials, you're going to want to stick around for this full review and demo of these products. Let's get to it. Let's start off with these beautiful brushes. Angela created 6 essential eye brushes. This one is the AB1. It's the base brush. We have the AB2, which is the fluffy blending brush. The AB3, this one is the crease brush. AB4, shader brush. We have the AB5, this is the small blending brush. And the AB6, the small detail brush. Now let's take a look at the AB1, the base brush. I looked through my Sigma brush collection and I could not find one single brush that looked like this one. So this, I'm going to tell you right now, is a unique brush. I even went as far as looking through other brands, and this is the closest I could get, and even then these are different. Okay, so the BK Beauty, which I love and a lot of us love. So this one is way too big, so we're gonna cancel that one out. And then we have the Nicola Rose collab with BK Beauty, and again, two different. They have, you know, I'm gonna say the same purpose, I guess you could say, but density is almost the same, but the shape is different. So I'm super excited that this is a unique brush in my collection now. The fluffy blending brush is awesome. This one is similar to what we've seen in Sigma. Just like these two here, we have the crease and the shader brush. You know, they look similar, which I love. And these two here, the 5 and the 6. I am super excited about these because these are gonna fit perfectly on my bottom lash. Sigma's known for their quality brushes, and I can tell you right off the bat that these brushes definitely reflect that. According to Sigma, these are limited edition collab. I'm not sure how long they're gonna be out for, but I do know that they are considered limited edition. I do want to mention that I have an affiliate link for you guys. In case you guys want to look at them, you can go ahead and click on that link. It'll be in the description for you guys. But if you use it, it helps my channel. I mean, at no cost. You could just even look at the product, and, you know, just by clicking and going onto the site, it helps my channel. But definitely, I will tell you right now, these are quality brushes. When I purchased these brushes, I received this magic scrub. I also received 2 free of their liquid lipsticks. So I'm not sure if they're still giving these away, but I will tell you that they've been giving free gifts with purchase. I was informed that from June 23rd through June 30th, if you purchase either the brush set or the eyeshadow palette or the bundle, both, you will be receiving a free wash glove. So check it out if you want to. Like I mentioned, I will have the link in the description for you guys. Let's talk about Angela's eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette, in my opinion, is 100% versatile. You can use it for a soft glam look to a little edgy look with those colors. This eyeshadow palette is pigmented. Another thing that I like about this palette is that you can use it all year long. It's not just specific for spring or for summer or for fall. You can use it any time of the year. Today, I think we're gonna stick with these 4 right here. First, I have to prep my eyes. I have nothing on my eyes right now. I like to do my eye makeup first because, as I've mentioned in previous videos, I am a bit messy with my eyeshadow. Today, I get to use a brand spanking new Charlotte Tilbury color corrector. Check this out, it's so beautiful. This one is in 2 medium. This is my go-to for my eye prep. We're gonna put this to use, the AB one, which is the base. Just for reference, I have mature hooded eyes. And this brush is working amazing so far. Excellent. I like that it fits right there, right in perfectly. One thing I've learned is that if you want those colors in an eyeshadow palette to pop, you need to prepare your eyes really, really good. Another thing I've learned is that if you want your eyeshadow to last all day, you need good eye prep. Well, since I have mature eyes, I have to take a little extra step here. This color corrector is cream based, so I lay that down first, and trust me, it won't look creasy or anything like that. Once I'm done laying down the color corrector, I like to go in with the Rare Beauty eye primer. It's a little more liquidy. And again, for reference, I have mature hooded eyes. This is going to lay down an excellent foundation, an excellent base for those eyeshadows. Now, we are not going to stop there. We're going to set this before we apply any eyeshadow. So, I'm going to show you guys my little trick here. This is a Laura Mercier loose powder, and it's specifically the Ultra Blur in translucent. So I like this. I mean, this lasts forever. It's just for my eyes. That's all I use it for. And what I like to do is I like to just press to get some, about this much. And then I press it on my hand, the top of my hand, to get that excess powder off. And then I go in here. And just press to make sure it's set. This is gonna help your eyeshadow last the whole day. I promise you. At least in my experience, I have, make sure that there's no crease there. I have used this technique day after day, and there are times that my foundation kind of fades away. My blush might fade away a little bit, but I have a technique for that as well. But guess what? My eyeshadow stays put all day long, and no creasing either. This helps with no creasing. I have hooded eyes, so creasing is an issue for hooded eye people like me. Then I get the brush, just brush off the excess dust or dust off any powder that's left. And if you touch it, you can feel how smooth it is. All right, now we're ready. Brush, excellent. I'm gonna use the AB3 crease brush to kind of go over my whole lid with the shade Bare. You can do your makeup however you want. There are different techniques that people use, and that's okay. You do what you want. All right, I'm gonna go with Basic, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my crease. Gonna start building that up. Let's go in with Schmoogala. I'm gonna go ahead and use the blending brush and go back to Basic. Kind of soften that out. Go back in with my crease brush. I think I want to darken this up a little bit. I'm going to use my Sigma switch to try to get as much of that shadow off of this crease brush, because I'm going to use it for my brow. So I'm going to go in with Bright for my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with Champagne Problems. Let's see, and I'm going to use the shader brush for this one. That's the AB4. Now I'm going to go in with my finger as well for this one, to intensify that shade. The shimmers look so beautiful. I don't know if the camera can catch that, but I want to go in a little deeper. Let's see. I'm going to use my crease brush. I want to use the Cold Brew for the outer corner, just to darken it up a little bit. Don't need a bunch. And we're not worried about being messy because I will be cleaning that up in a bit. Back with my blending brush to blend that out. Nice. I'm gonna do my eyeliner and I will be back. So for eyeliner, I ended up using the Urban Decay 24/7 inks in the shade Whiskey for my upper lid. For my waterline, I ended up using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Whiskey, so they're both matching. I'm gonna use the small detail brush to smudge out that eyeliner, but I'm going to also add a little bit of Schmoogala. the small detail brush is perfect for the lower lash line. I'm gonna use my switch here and go in with basic. My goodness, this is perfect. I'm going to use the small blending brush as well as the shade Bear to blend all of those under here, under my eye. All right, so here is the final look. What do you guys think? Using these beautiful brushes. Here are my final thoughts. I love the fact that these brushes are true essential brushes. They maintain the Sigma quality, and I was able to use all of them for what I needed to. This base brush is amazing, amazing. Off camera, I was setting the rest of my makeup or finishing up the rest of my makeup, and I was able to use this for under my eye, for concealer, and to set my under eye. So it was perfect. So as far as the eyeshadow palette, I mean, some of you may already have this palette, but if you don't, the only thing you need to be aware of is that these are pigmented. So be careful when you are, using it for the first time. You might want to test your eyeshadow look first before actually using it for a day, but just know that the eyeshadows are pigmented in this. As far as the packaging, I'm gonna tell you, I love matching. So the fact that the brushes match the eyeshadow palette, I love it. I'm actually hoping that by any chance Sigma might do an extension to this collab and do face palettes. That would be awesome. Hopefully Sigma's watching. So tell me, are you interested in purchasing the eyeshadow palette or the brush set or both as a bundle? Let me know in the comments. If you made it this far, thank you so much for spending some glam time with me. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.